Welcome back, guys. Hopefully we're gonna work on the BMW again. Hopefully we'll get it started this time for sure. We're gonna try to put some grounds in random places, clean up some spots on the engine that are dirty, and hopefully we'll start. Hopefully. And ready whenever. Yeah. Oh, there's no fuel. It starts right up though.
It's something with your
Sounds good. Oh, yeah. So, as you can hear, we got the car started. Really exciting. Awesome. So we're gonna put all the wires together where they're supposed to go, make it look nice and good. Get the gas pedal working, put a drive shaft in, and make it drivable, I guess. Hopefully. For people who are trying to work on their BMW E46 with the Terminator ECU, what we did is ran a ground all the way from the battery terminal all the way up to the engine block. Get them out right here. You gotta do that a bit better for later, but it's running pretty good. That's how we got the engine running, I think, for the most part. And for we used a better battery than what the BMW came with. That one kind of sucks. There were amps. Like I took one out of my Tundra, used that, and it cranks way better. And also the mat sensor, we just drilled a hole through the old evap thingy and put some JB weld there. Not sponsored, but appreciate it if it was. And that fits pretty good. It reads pretty well. And the vacuum hose, we're running one to the ECU. We're not using the mat sensor because I heard you're not supposed to use it when you're running NA engines, but we'll test it out later if you are or not. But it seems to be running pretty good with the vacuum hose straight to the ECU. And we clean up wires through the car, and it looks way better now. And that should be it. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Keep on watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and catch us in the next one.